Your office can be a germ petri dish. Germs thrive in our offices due to our shared spaces and poor cleaning techniques. Commit to positively changing your work environment by taking mindful health steps to avoid office germ illnesses. 98% of workers are affected by minor illness each year, and many of them come in contact with these germs at work. At the office, we're not always thorough with our cleaning practices. And this can be dangerous since we touch 30 different objects per minute at work. To better understand office germs, Kimberly-Clark professionals started the Health Workplace Project. They collected 5,000 samples from offices with over 3,000 employees to test for high levels of contamination. While most people expected the bathrooms to have the most germs, it turned out that office kitchens and break rooms were the dirtiest places, especially during the holiday season, with all the parties and gatherings. The highest levels of office contamination can be found on the following surfaces: 75% of break room sink faucet handles, 48% of microwave door handles, 27% of keyboards, 26% of refrigerator handles, 23% of water fountain buttons, 21% of vending machine buttons. And some other germ hotspots are personal areas. Personal spaces are not as dirty as communal ones, but they can use some improvement. People are not as vigilant about sanitation in their own personal space, especially if they eat at their desk. Computer mice and desk phones have an enormous amount of germs. In fact, desks have 400 times more germs than toilet seats. Communal areas. Communal areas and objects that spread germs include carpeting, coffee pots, conference tables, copy machines, door frames, door handles, elevator buttons, stairs and railings, and reception and lobby areas. Random items. During holidays, communal candy dishes can be found around the office, and unwrapped candies can be germ hotbeds. Other items like books can house bacteria and mold. And when we share writing utensils, we also spread germs. But you can learn some easy tips for avoiding office germs and preventing office germ illnesses like these. Wash and dry. After washing your hands, dry them with a paper towel. It reduces germs by 77%. Disinfect. Use a disposable disinfectant wipe to clean the previously mentioned germ hotspots. Sanitize. Keep hand sanitizer with you. Don't touch your face. Bacteria spreads through the areas on our face, like our nose, eyes, and mouth, and studies show that we touch our face 16 times an hour. So remember to try to avoid touching your face with dirty hands. Become your best you and discover more about this and other topics. Visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.